Stop making boring edits. Use these 50 plus sound effects instead. If you use InShot, don't edit another video before trying these sound effects. Hello everyone. If you use InShot, you are going to love this video. Today I'll show you 50 plus free sound effects already available in InShot. Just save them once and you will never have to search for them again. You can use them anytime to make your YouTube videos, shorts and Instagram reels more engaging. Let's start.
Oh my God.
Wow! Let's go.
Three, two, one!
What? Oh my God.
No.
Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you want sound effects from any other editing app, let me know in the comments. And if you are a beginner or want tutorials on any editing topic, tell me what tutorial you want to see next, because I make videos based on your suggestions. Guys, your support means a lot to me. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and help me reach 1k subscribers. It would really mean a lot. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We have an amazing community there and it's a great place for us to connect. I also share editing templates, tips and tutorials there, so I'd love to see you there too. Thank you so much for watching. Keep editing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.